Gadget.in, and today I have with me the Logitech M235 wireless mouse that now also comes with a unifying receiver, which is pretty cool. This is actually an entry-level wireless mouse from the company. It's actually been something that a lot of my colleagues have been using, and it's a reliable device, but I do want to know what you get in the box once you buy it fresh. So let's go ahead and tear this thing open, yeah? Okay, so Logitech has obviously used one of the most annoying packaging possible, which is near impossible to open with just your hands. So I'm gonna use a knife to cut that open. You'll probably need scissors. Kids, if you're watching this, be careful with a knife. It's not something children should be playing with anyway. Now, once you've opened the Logitech M235 mouse, there's absolutely no packing it back in case you want to return this thing. So good luck with that. All right, let's see what's here. This is the plastic case. This is the M235 mouse. Now, there's a little pull tab here, which I'm assuming is to basically engage the battery. Of course, you remove that. Now the battery makes contact with the electronic points, and now the mouse is live. What's really nice about this is that right next to the battery, you have a little holder for the wireless receiver. These things are so easy to lose, it's not even funny. So thankfully, the design of the M235 incorporates the fact that you may want to store it away. So this makes it great for traveling with, by the way. So you've got the receiver, of course. There's also a battery that Logitech sort of builds in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And you know, if you have big hands, small hands, the mouse should work for you regardless. So we've got that. Let's see what else is there. Looks like that's pretty much it. So the Logitech M235 mouse is so minimal that all you get in the box is the receiver and the mouse. The receiver itself is a unifying receiver, which means that if you have any other Logitech accessory that is also unifying certified, you could pair that device directly to this receiver without having to actually worry about finding another receiver, using up 2 USB ports on your laptop or desktop. So this makes it super convenient. All right, so that's it. That's basically all you get when you buy the Logitech M235 wireless mouse. Thank you guys for watching this video.